fast last night. Computers done, still not a miner in sight. Hash rate drop low like a stone in the sea. More yields for us, and it's all tax-free. Wires cross-tangled like a hacker's dream. Silence in the server, just a hidden beam. Techno cats in the shadows, they start to conspire. Well, electricity's down, but our profits fire higher. Hashing in the dark, we're running gold. Red Panda's gone down, their empire sold. Every flicker of light is another's gain. Riding the wave of an electric train. Coins in our pockets, each one's a spark. Computing the gains while we meander the dark. Algorithms dance in a silent beat. Every moment offline feels like victory sweet. Electric whispers in a digital void. The muted hum of processors deployed. Panda's offline, but our fortune's bright. The market glows under the starless night. Hashing in the dark, we're running gold. Red Panda's gone down, their empire sold. Every flicker of light is another's gain. Riding the wave of an electric train. Hashing in the dark, we're mining gold. Red Panda's gone down, their empire sold. Every flicker of light is another's gain. Riding the wave of an electric train.
Hello everybody, welcome to the live stream. VC all-time high July 11th, 7 hours ago, $118,856 Bitcoin. We were definitely asleep during that time. 100% we were definitely asleep. I did not see 118k Bitcoin, but we're at 117 now, which is pretty insane. Okay, it's just pretty crazy. Over the past day here, we have, dude, guys, I don't like, what happened? What happened here? Like, July 9th, pumped up, 109 to 111,000, and then like 12 hours later, we started going up, and here we are now. Nuts. Absolutely nuts. Just crazy. Okay, roll call. We got Mr. Backwards Miner, Fraud Electronics, Chica, Chuck Danger, your band, Steven Cicero, D Mining, Rude Puts, Alpha Mine, Automatic Beats, Rude Puts, welcome, bros, Steven, Sadie sometimes. What's up, man? You and Squirrel Master. What's up, guys? What a crazy time. Mr. Hobbyist Miner's here. Hello, good sir. BC. What's up? What's up? Happy Friday. Happy Friday to all of you. Wow, that's nuts. That's nuts. So, we're gonna do, by the way, if you're just here right now, we are gonna be giving away a BitX Gamma in today's live stream here. So I will find a video for you guys to comment on, and on behalf of plebsource.com, thanks to them, I'm gonna be giving away a BitX Gamma today. So I'll only do that once we hit about, let's say, 100 likes. I think eventually we'll get there. Eventually, we'll start that. We're gonna stream. I think I'll stream a little bit longer today. Steven Cicero, RedPandaMining, alts to 0. Well, according to my proof of work watch list. All right, let's just see here. All right, let's over the past 24 hours, we got the likes. A pretty strong proof of work GPU mineable coin, Zealous, is now up 19%. We got Carlson up 13.8, Bitnet 18.9, Conflux 22% up the past 24 hours. Novo, no, Novo's is an outlier. That I don't think it's gone up 29%. But Octaspace, anyone that's ASIC mining this, Cubic up a little bit, Doge is also up 10%, Flux. I mean, everything is all the alts are up a bit here. So see, when Bitcoin goes up, see that classic example, when Bitcoin goes up, altcoins go up. So if you are of the belief that your coin, you know, I mean, if you believe that Bitcoin's gonna go up, I mean, you're gonna believe that your altcoin will also go up as well. So it's kind of it's just the how do you say it? The explanation about that is when there's volume coming into Bitcoin, that provides the liquidity, and the exchanges are then propping up the rest of the coins on their exchange. Okay, that's pretty much what is happening here. Caspa is also up 10%, 9.7% the past 24 hours. I know a lot of people are hoping that's going to go much higher. I mean, everyone hopes. Ergo, pretty good. Even Dynex is up a little bit. I mean, is it gonna continue up higher? See, that's the thing. I don't know. Bitcoin dominance seems to be dropping, right? That's a good sign, right? Bitcoin dominance, when it drops, that means altcoins are generally gonna start going up here. So We had a dip, right? Dip, yeah, a little bit. You know, Bitcoin dominance was like 65%. Now we're at 63%. It's nothing substantial. Okay, either you can say it's just beginning, or I personally, up until tomorrow, only unfortunate. J Styles. Crypto KJ, Novo's a lost cause. Most of their coin was stored on Zegex. Oh yeah, sure. Right. A lot of the that's right. A lot of the you know, spec mining coins were on Zegex, and that definitely destroyed a lot of stuff. Cedric says altcoins won't go too high since everyone already dumped all their coins out of despair. RedPandaMining. Cedric, where's that where's that chart? It's like at the very last moment when you liquidate your bags at the very bottom. Like over the past week, I've just been watching X, and people are like, I'm gonna liquidate all my alts into Bitcoin right now at a loss, you know, at a complete loss. And then that's like, when you do that, that's the time it flips. And look what happened. It flips a little bit here, 2%. And so altcoins have gained ground here a little bit. Now, am I saying it's going to keep going? I don't know. Okay. I'm just saying, like, when that happens, when you finally just liquidate all your alts into Bitcoin, altcoin season is generally, it's what happens. It comes, then it comes. And it's like, okay, I just liquidate. I just, you know, but, okay. I'm not saying that it's going to happen. And what if it does? I don't know. I have my gut feeling here is, I think Bitcoin dominance is eventually going to go up more. Maybe all the way up until, this is just my guess, prediction. My prediction is, I think the true alt season is going to happen within the next year. That's my guess. I don't think it's starting now. I don't think we're going to see Bitcoin dominance go down to, like, you know, 50-30%, you know, eventually. I don't think so. I don't think so. Mr. Mining King, the Mining King, where are you? Where's your videos? Where's the live streams? Where are you, Mr. Mining King? Where? Everybody is asking about you. I keep getting questions. I keep getting, like, people are asking, Red Panda, where did the Mining King go? Red Panda, where's the streams? King, 3 months ago? King, we gotta start stream. King, you need to come back. I like the AI content panda finally starting to realize where the money is. King, listen. Listen. I have no good excuse to say to you. Can we do a live stream together? King, for you, we can do a live stream together. Yes. King, when do you want a live stream? King, I'll make an exception. I normally don't live stream with other people, but for you, I'll make that exception. Hawk is going to be real pissed. Chuck Danger, RPM, are we all assuming all miners kept their mining GPUs and total offline hash rate is still there? I'm willing to be if GPU alts pumped, we won't see nearly as much hash rate come back online. Chuck Danger, we don't know how many GPUs have been liquidated by miners. I'm going to say it's a substantial amount. So that's the thing, right? That's the thing. If a lot of proof of work GPU mineable coins start, you know, going up in value, and, you know, we generally see, I mean, at my electrical rate, you all know I'm like swapping into 178Xs here. I'm still, once I get them, I would still be, you know, above water, you know, 40-50 cents. It's nothing crazy, but I have, you know, over 100 of these things coming. So I'm, you know, I can still make money out of it. Nothing crazy, maybe like $100 or something a day or something. But it's, you know, the reason why I've swapped into these cards is because if, I'm not going to say when, but what, it's if, okay, it's a big if. Proof of work, GPU mineable coins, you know, start, you know, gaining more ground. And if Bitcoin dominance starts going back down, right? Altcoin season, etc. If that all happens, then generally, I mean, we should start seeing positive, you know, numbers. I'm expecting my once I get my 170HXs, it should be like $1. I'm gonna say at one point it could be like $2 to $3 a day, right? If some alts start going up. But then the question lies with, you know, how sustainable is it going to be? How long is it going to last at those peaks? Probably not very long. Generally, I remember during 2021 Ravencoin, when Ravencoin pumped, you know, the profitability for GPU mining Ravencoin lasted about 4 months. So from February to June, pretty much. So it was a good 4 to 5 months of GPU mining profitability for Ravencoin. And then it went back up again in August. So maybe a good half year. DJ, what's up, man? Mining King, when's your next live stream? King, how about King? What about Sunday? King, let's do Sunday. Same time now, 9 a.m. Pacific. What time zone are you in, King? Backwards Miner, did you buy all the 178? Backwards Miner, yes. Smoky Dan, what's up, Smoky Dan? Not above water, according to Hunter. Brutal RPM dashing. J Styles, Hawk is in denial. He's in hardcore pessimistic mode. I understand what he's going through. Trust me, the exact same feeling that we got back in 2018, and then, like, you know, 2019, 2020 bear market of GPU mining. It was bad, right? And then honestly, GPU mining in the past couple of years, of course, depending on your electrical cost, if you had anything higher than 9 cents, you were pretty much, you know, not doing well. Break even during the previous bear market, I remember, on RX 580s was around 10 cents. So if everything falls in line with how Bitcoin dominance is now, and if altcoin season is going to come back again, I mean, we should, in theory, and for the amount of people who have exited GPU mining, I mean, it could be okay for those that are, you know, sub 8 cents. Mining King, let's do it. Sunday, I'm Central Time. King, sounds good. King, sounds good. King, message me. Sunday, let's do it. Sunday. All right. King and the Mining King is live streaming with RPM on Sunday. King, that's gonna be actually a lot of fun. Hawk is gonna be so pissed. He's gonna be so mad. He's gonna be so mad. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. He's gonna be so pissed. I can't wait. DJ in a hotel, traveling for a month, hunting comic book collections in a hotel, traveling. DJ, did you buy a new place yet? At your did you buy a new place? You're moving, right? Yeah. Let's see here. So have you talked about the down Cat Pants Friday? All right, Mr. Cat Pants Friday, I have been seeing you replying on every single X post on Twitter with the same clip. Have you talked about the downfall of Flux? What's Dan's cussing everyone out that asks questions? Cat Pants Friday, that's nothing new. I mean, he's done that many times before. I've definitely seen that many times before. That's nothing new. I think a lot of OGs who have been in, you know, GPU mining have seen that before, and I'm you know, I honestly don't care about it too much. It's whatever. everyone's attitude and personality is different. Definitely. I mean, everyone in the space has different personalities. I mean, you'll see different personalities all over the space, you know, all over the place. And it's probably one of the worst personalities in the space because it involves money. And when it involves money, people can get pissed. And it happens, man. It happens. And, you know, I mean, you in all types of anything financial. Anything to do with financials. A lot of people get mad. A lot of different personalities, man. And we've seen it all. I think a lot of us, I'm not gonna say I'm OG, but ever since I started the my YouTube channel in 2018, I have seen, I think, like 30, 40 plus content creators come and go. I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but I'm just saying, like, you know, people come and go, man. People change, you know, things change. People's lives change. To be honest, I'm surprised I'm still doing this. To be honest, I'm extremely surprised I'm still doing this whole YouTube thing. I couldn't believe it. King with the drop of 32.49 is making 11k a month right now. Life is good. King 32.49. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Holy smoke, man. 11,000 divided by 32. So each GPU is making 343 bucks a month divided by 30 days. So each GPU, dude, who's renting out your 4090s at $11.45 a day? That is absolutely amazing, dude. Damn. Oh, you're not on Vast. You're on the private. I know what's happening. I know what's happening, King. Yeah, I know exactly. I know. Okay, I understand. No, I know what's happening. I know what's happening. I know what's happening. I won't say anything more. Man. Oh, jeez. All right, let's see. What are you guys saying? The space is very elastic. Yeah, you are 100%. Just look at the technicals. The technicals is, I believe he has another YouTube channel. He hasn't really, I mean, he's gotten out of mining for now, but he's gotten out of, he's doing other content creation, I believe. So, yeah. But anyways, yeah, man. I never thought, to be honest, I never thought I would still be doing YouTube for the past, like, this whole time. I guess it's only been 7 years. Like, when do you guys think the next top is? The next top of Bitcoin? I know everyone's gonna say there's no top for Bitcoin, but I mean, the top meaning, I mean, then the next drop down, the next, like, is there gonna be a bear market? Is there gonna be a bear market? Who knows? Or are we just gonna keep going up constantly? You know what's funny? Bitcoin miners are, I think, more profitable now than Doge miners. I think I was just looking at that the other day. L9, okay, at 10 cent kilowatt hour makes 12 bucks a day, 13 bucks a day. A seal miner A2 makes $5. Okay, that's not the same. $5 a day. Okay. I was looking at, I think, an S21. S21 XP 874. Ah, okay, never mind. No, I was looking at the cheaper electric. Ah, that's why. 8 cents. 8 cents. That means an L9 is making 14. A2 is making 7. Okay, the numbers look to be different this time. King, I sold my L9 100% out of the crypto mining, all in AI right now. King, Amazing. S19 hosted is profitable again, apparently. Right. S19Js. Yeah. S19Js hosted. If you had them posted at 8 cents, I mean, they're making a little bit under a buck. King, returns on mining aren't great. That's true. Yeah. John English Tech says 200 to 250k easily. DJ says 140 to 150k. DJ, question: are you gonna sell at 150k? 140, between 140 and 150k, are you gonna sell? Are you gonna sell? Are you selling everything? Are you just like, you're just selling? What, like, I don't really see many people talking about selling. I want to hear people talk about selling. This is it. Like, I want to hear it from people. I want to hear the selling. Hodl to 0. Yeah, Jesus Christ. I just sold a bit. King, returns on mining aren't great. Right, King, you're not wrong. If you don't have cheap power, it's hard. Yeah, that's hard. John English Tech, I sold all my Caspa at 9. No convict. John English Tech, I know that's a joke. You would never. You would never. King, Solana hits 275 again. I'm selling my bag of 35 Solana. Nice. John English Tech, haha, you know me too well. Of course, John. Of course. Okay, I mean, nobody's here talking about selling. Like, nobody, I guess that's, you know, North American mindset. You know, a lot of people here, you know, people don't talk about their salaries. The culture of North America, you know, people don't talk about their salary. They don't talk about how much money they make. They don't talk about selling. You know, in Asian culture, dude, extremely open of how much money they make. It's actually normal. Asian culture, talking about money is extremely normal. In North America, it's like, how do you say it? What's that word? Tip of my tongue. Crypto KJ, that's why they get mugged all the time. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Taboo, thank you. Taboo. Yes, thank you. Taboo, don't talk about. Yes, taboo. That's the word. Thank you. Jock Miner, yeah, where I am, private sector, what you earn is taboo. Right? Yeah. See, and in Asia, it's not. Asian culture taboo. It's not taboo. Okay, it looks like for Europeans, it sounds like it's taboo as well. Yeah, interesting. Okay, well, I guess nobody. That's why crypto traders and, like, you know, even crypto miners, North American crypto miners, don't talk about selling. I think, you know what? Now that I think about it, I think I am the only one that has made videos talking about, like, selling. Now that I think about it, because I think I'm like one of the only ones that do, like, I've had like my L9 videos talking about converting, you know, all the Doge into BTC over the past year. And, like, I don't think anyone really talks about that. Rabbit. Okay, Rabbit does. Yeah, Rabbit talks about selling. That's true. He's Canadian, right? He's honest, right? He's honest about it. But I'm talking more about, like, the American. Like, does Voscoin ever talk about selling? Come to think of it, I don't think I've ever seen a video from Voscoin ever talk about, like, you know, selling about, like, coins or mining profits or mining, like, actually showing his mining, like, you know, actually sold into another coin or sold into cash or something. Everyone has an opinion about what to do with your money once they know how much you have or make. That's why we just don't talk about it in general. All Ben now. You're right. I get it. I get that part. I get that part. Yeah, for sure. It's taboo, and you're right. If you're a public figure and you're talking about how much Bitcoin or how much crypto or how much money you have, yeah, you're a target. That's another thing, right? Yeah, no, yeah, 100%, no, for sure. I get that. I get that. I mean, that's why I don't show face. Rabbit's the same way. Rabbit doesn't show his face. I don't show my face. When crypto mining here, I mean, both of us both of us are not like extremely rich. So it's not like we're like balling out of control. But like, it's just, DJ, I like knowing net worth because you can't trust someone who doesn't have money from the thing they are teaching. DJ, you're right. No, yeah, no, that's definitely that's true. That 100%. I think I talked about it before. My net worth, like majority of my net worth, is actually in real estate. Actually for a long time I thought I had actually more hardware and crypto than anything else, but apparently not. If someone has 3K to their name but teaching you how to get rich, right? No, yeah, 100%. Jockrick Miner, not 100%, but I think in Norway or in that area, what you earn is public record. Jockrick Miner in Norway, interesting. Russell Thatch, figured you and Rabbit didn't show face because you guys look like Alfred E. Newman. I don't even know who is that. Alfred E. Newman. Let's see. Holy crap, we got 171 people here, 57 likes. Smash the like button. How dare you say that I look like this? All right, Russell Thatch, you are banned. You're saying I look like this guy? That maybe the Caucasian one, but not. God damn it. God damn it. Man, so funny. They don't show faces, so you don't know the guy who just went buying a Ferrari. Mass boost. Yeah, right. I would never buy a Ferrari. Never. King, I just saw you message me. King, 9 a.m. Pacific. Sounds good, King. King, I got your message, King. Let's do it. 9 a.m. Pacific. Let's stream. We're gonna stream together. We're gonna stream together. Okay. What were we talking about? What were we? Let's see here. Lamau, I got 3K in Fartcoin. All set. Fartcoin, dude. Absolutely insane. I mean, Fartcoin up. Fartcoin is up 10% the past 24 hours. Let's see here. I just want to see actually rest of the proof of work altcoins is generally up as well. Cedra coin up 28%, but kind of down from past months still. Conflux is up 20%. Decent. Zealous is up 13%. Okay, so you're probably gonna see the GPU mining profitability probably uptick here over the next day. There is a lag because once the coins go up in value, it takes the account, I think the average over the past 24 hours. So I think the next day, tomorrow, these profit numbers are probably going to go up. Actually, it's already going up. It looks like Conflux is already going up on some of these cards. At my electrical rate, which is about 7.4. It won't let me do 7.4. I do 8. So nothing crazy. 46 cents if I got my 178 which they're coming slowly. They're coming. BC got to ball for a work call. BC, have a good one, man. Derek Hartwig, what's up, man? Are you more of a McLaren guy? No, I'm more of a Toyota guy. Jock Miner, did you talk about Flux ditching GP mining, RedPandaMining, block 200,000? Jock Miner, no, I did not talk about it. Honestly, I don't care. to be honest. To be honest, I don't really care. They can do whatever they want. Whatever they want to do. Project wants to go ahead and do certain things, whatever bad or wrong. It doesn't matter. It ultimately doesn't matter. Ultimately doesn't matter. If it makes GPU mining worse, I mean, I don't think it's gonna make GPU mining that bad, because I think the what was the emissions of Flux anyway? Emission for Flux is $12,000 a day, $13,000 a day. So I'm not is not really. Yeah, Flux is up 22% today. Drop in the bucket. It's not really. I don't really care. Top chat, Unreal. Okay, live chat. Oh, by the way, we got, okay, 166 people here. Smash the like. I realize there's some people on Twitch here. I'm sorry I haven't been talking to you. 69 likes. Smash the like, guys. We're gonna go 100 likes. We're giving away a BitX Gamma right in this live stream. I'll get you guys to comment on the video. Thank you to plebsource.com. Comment. Let me get the video. We need 100 likes though. I'm not starting this giveaway until I see 100 likes. Let's see here. Derek Hardwick, what are your thoughts on the stupid MOBO and other hardware costs? Derek, the prices are dude, prices going up everywhere, man. Dude, it's like cost of living is generally going up. So Javis, yes, Javis, but I'm not starting it until I see 100 likes. Okay, 100. Smoky Dan, RedPandaMining, if it wasn't for any snowstorms, the bitter cold, nobody around the Arctic would be a great place to mine it for free due to being daylight for pretty much 24 hours. That's funny. Stevo Crypto, RedPandaMining, most of my wealth is in dividend stock, and I use that to build out my mining facilities. Stevo Crypto, you know what? I've actually been, to be honest, I've actually been diving into that secretly. I never talk about. I don't talk about that. We just talk about crypto mining. What am I? So why am I saying secretly? I've actually been diving into that, Stevo Crypto. So my plan is actually, if you know crypto and everything starts going up in this next half year, I plan on probably liquidating most of it into dividends. Yeah, and start building the bag. Start building the bag back. For the next in the next bear market. Yeah, I'm thinking of doing that too, and I can do that tax free. Actually, I'm able to dividend investing. I can actually do that tax free. So it's kind of a win-win if I can participate in that. Did I miss the L9 Fiddler? We are not giving away an L9. God damn it. DJ, so glad I went majority of Bitcoin. DJ, Bitcoin's doing great, man. Bitcoin's doing real good. Real good. Pete, Rebby, what's up, man? What's up, man? How are you? 22, all you have nice portfolio. All set. I mean, I think majority of people here probably have a combination of everything, but also there's going to be people here have majority Bitcoin as well. DJ, tax-free and both IRA for crypto. Those sound interesting. I don't have, it's not called an IRA in Canada. It's, we have something called TFSA. Did I miss the sticker giveaway? Asking for a friend for the last time. Smoky Dan. Smoky Dan. Can you email me, Smoky Dan? I keep forgetting to ship that to you. You need to send me an email. I need to ship that out. I literally need to ship that out. GM Zombie L9 giveaway, you say? We're not giving away L9. Okay. Bitcoin goes to like 200k, sure. then we can think about an L9 giveaway. But right now, not doing that. King, I dislike both. I dislike the Roth and 401ks. You have to hold your money till retirement. Right. To be penalty free. Be more real estate and passive. See, for the TFSA I'm talking about in Canada, it's I'm actually able to take it out generally anytime, but it's tax free. But the thing is, you can't do any like trading. You can't do any trading in it. Other than that would be considered like income, and then you'd be taxed on it. So you can't. You can buy and hold it essentially. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna. That's what I'm gonna be probably liquidating. Diversifying into. I don't really get into stocks or dividends or anything, but I have been doing some research on that. Mine some 10. What's up, man? A lot of brilliant people in the chat. Even with the difference of opinions, we are all in the right space and paying attention. Right? Mine some 10. 100%, man. We all I guess everyone here is all financially, determined and maybe disciplined to just be in this, and we're just trying to just make it, right? We're trying to make money out of all this, like majority of people out there, just regular job, 9 to 5. Maybe they don't have the motivation to really start anything. They have lives, family, kids, time. It takes a lot of time. Yeah, we're in the right thing. We're in the right thing for sure. And we're making it's like our hobby. But most of us probably run it as a business. The richer you get, the less you want to take IMO. You can live off 5%. DJ, exactly. Want to take risk. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I hope in this next run up here, and if altcoin season can come a little bit, I'm gonna like just sell it all. I can hopefully pay off 2 of the mortgages I have. I mean, the rent money is gonna essentially, I can live off that. I can literally live off that while I do something else, which is gonna be my YouTube. If I continue crypto YouTube, or should I just exit this year? Should I? All right, I'm starting to pull. Should RPM leave this next cycle? Next crypto mining cycle? Yes. No. I would love to just take a year off. Can I just take a year off? Can you guys just let me leave? Can I leave? Do you love it, RedPandaMining? If so, don't leave. Financial failure. I love this, man. Crypto mining and, making content, communicating with the community, the camaraderie that I've had with all of you, the friends that I've made along the way. A lot of you in the live chat have been with me since the beginning, since 2018. And I am, that's what makes me happy. That's seriously what makes me happy. To see it, all of you guys communicating camaraderie amongst everyone. That is my favorite. I don't care so much about what's this coin doing, what's that coin doing, what mining software update. I don't really care about that so much anymore, but it's just like, I think it's just all the friends and all the community. That's what I like the most. Honestly, Panda Rug incoming. Should RPM leave this night? All right, 44% of you say yes. 56% of you say no. I love it. You can't. We need someone to harass. Javis. God damn it. Financial fair. There's your answer. I can hear the 20 GPU rig crying in the background. Smokey Dan, you know what? That's it. I should just take that rig, bring it outside, and like torch it. Or I'll record a video running that frame over. Ever since, who sent me that frame? I already forgot his name. He literally shipped me that 20 GPU frame, all built in one piece. Like the shipping was like a couple $100. He paid for it and he shipped me the whole goddamn frame in one piece. It was, oh my God. Who sent that to me? Oh, what's his name? Oh my God. What's his name? Oh, I forgot. Oh, it's... Damn it. Techman ignoring me. Techman, what did you say? Techman, member for 63 months. Happy Friday, everybody. Even the noobs. I just bought 3 mega boxes from Cardsmith. Buy some hunt crypto with me, RPM. Techman, member for 63 months. How many years is that? That's a lot. Jockrick Miner, to be honest, I'm not here for crypto purse. It's all about the community, and RedPandaMining saved me from the completely abandoning crypto. Jockrick Miner, wow. I don't think I've saved you, but I'm with you on there. I'm with you about the camaraderie, the people communicating with everybody. I think that's I love that. I love that. You know, it's hard to, like, you know, IRL, you know, like real life friends or hanging out, you know, rarely happens these days. Zapirate. Yeah, I just said I don't care. Zapirate. If the whole thing going to POS, because they're basically going to their Flux Core platform for proof of use and work. So they're pretty much becoming a marketplace. They're going to be like Core.ai, or you're essentially just renting your GPUs on their platform. That's exactly what they're doing. If it makes money, good. If it doesn't make money, nobody's going to use it. So that's it. I don't care. Emissions wise, $13,000 a month, a day. Flux GPU mining. Whatever. I don't care. Whatever. If it's gonna make money on the platform, then so be it. If it doesn't, then no one's gonna use it. Backwards Miner, I told you how to make it work. Super easy. Backwards Miner, listen. I don't have the mental capacity, okay, to I didn't even buy the motherboard part that you said I need to get yet, okay? I haven't even gone that far, all right? Okay. GM Zombie, give it away, but winner must have it up in the Red Panda week, which is currently like 3 years. GM Zombie. Let's see here. I'm watching from my prison. Techman. Nobody socializes IRL because of Panda 19. Chuck Danger. CPL99. Didn't you already leave us mentally? CS Pill 99. Yes. Smokey Dan. RPM literally pushed me out of the gutter. Long story, but I'm still here. Jock of Miner. It's okay, man. It's all good, man. Who is renting GPU power? They must make some money as well. So you need to do what like your GPUs. There is money be made. Yeah. No, for sure. Find your inner Yankee. Blow up that 20 GP rig. Mass boost. 100. Yes, please. We're gonna blow it up. I definitely. I'm gonna blow that. I'm gonna blow it up. We're gonna blow up that frame. I'll take the 50 HXs off, but we'll blow up the frame. Okay, looks like nobody wants a BitX Gamma, so we're not going to be doing the giveaway because we don't have 100 likes, so forget that. Nobody gets it today. That's it. Frogman with the $10. Frogman, bite. Oh, bite my ear. Frogman,
Frogman donated $10
that bite,
through Super
man,
Chat.
that bite is going to be
bite. My hero.
straight in the
Cucumber
garbage.
emoji. Cucumber emoji. Cucumber emoji. Cucumber emoji. Cucumber emoji.
Cucumber emoji. Oh my god. Frogman, You're terrible. All right, well, we got 104 likes now. Okay. All right. Let's do it. Let's do a Mining King video. All right, here we go. There's 5 comments here. Perfect. I'm going to share this one. All right, we need a comment. Comment on this video with your thoughts on Bitcoin price today. Will it fall or go up more? You have to be here to win, to respond in live chat when, yeah, okay, you guys know the rest. Pin replace message. Okay, video link to Mining King is in the pin comment in the live chat. Click on that video, get your comments in. I will choose the winner in about like 10 minutes. We're gonna choose the winner very fast. I'm gonna be using pickawinner.co. I do not own this website. I cannot rig the giveaway. Make sure you follow exactly what I said. You have to give your thoughts on the Bitcoin price today, or will it fall or go up more? You have to follow that. If you don't give your opinion on that, you will be disqualified from the giveaway. If you don't give that exact answer, you will be disqualified. Okay. All right. I see a lot of people commenting already. That's good. That's good. This is for BitX Gamma. Thank you to plebsource.com. They are now a title sponsor of the channel. Thank you to them for supporting the channel. And yeah, they got a lot of cool stuff here. Oh, I have one of these coming. An S19K Pro Slim, 20 terahash. This is a very interesting little thing here. Basically, it looks like the power supply is out, and then now it's inside. So curious how they did that, but anyways, that'll be fun to test out. Okay. Does the winner have to comment with the correct phrase? Frogman, I don't. Could be positive, could be negative. It doesn't matter. They saw your plea in your live stream, RedPandaMining. Smokey Dan, who are you talking about? What plea? Whose plea? Let's see here. How many comments? We got 47 comments still going. Another 5 more minutes. We're gonna choose the winner. 5 more minutes, bros. 5 more minutes. Oh, happy Friday to all of you guys. Bitcoin's up 117k. Altcoins seem to be coming up a bit here. Oh man, just my gut feeling says, I have my gut feeling. My gut feeling says, I think altcoins are not really gonna go up yet. I think we're gonna have like a dip again. I think we're gonna have a dip. Something, my gut tells me we're gonna have a dip, and like Bitcoin dominance is gonna go up higher. Something tells me that's gonna happen, and we're not gonna have altcoin season until like maybe end of the year or next year or something. I don't know, or maybe never. Do you guys think the same way? Here, let's see. Here, let's do a poll. I'm curious. I have some gut feeling. Bitcoin, is this just a temporary dip in BTC dominance? Yes. No. Start poll. I don't know. I don't think alts are really gonna go hardcore up yet. I don't think it's. I don't know. My gut feeling says it's not. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. I just have this gut feeling. I don't know. I'm probably wrong. I hope I'm wrong. Sell now. Did I win? Dan Bulmer, what's up, man? Dan, how's that 3070 Ti? How's that 3070 Ti? Is it working good? Love it. Smokey Dan, calling it now. 120k BTC by the end of the weekend, then dip to 96k. So don't freak out, and then maybe rocket, maybe. Yeah, Smokey Dan, that's kind of what I'm feeling. That's kind of what I'm feeling. I think it's bad if we, I think it's bad we just, you know, keep going up, because then that's going to be like, you know, that blow off top, and then that's the top. If it keeps going up, then that's like the top. we gotta get out. Need QE and US lower interest, then we rocket. Yonel B. Yeah, that's yeah, that happens. Yeah, end of the year or something. Next year, who knows? I don't know. Yeah. A lot of people correlate with that. That could be a thing, for sure. Slosh Squatch, how are the 22 CP rigs? Still on the floor, Slosh Squatch. So, I think it's been like 2 weeks now. So whoever said 3 weeks, I think might win. God damn it. Okay. How many comments we got on King's videos? 76 comments. All right. Let's choose the winner. Let's do it. Let's choose the winner. Let's choose the winner. Let's go to comment picker for the Bidax Gamma. Where's my pick a winner? There it is. All right. Steven, is the giveaway NA only? Yes, sorry, I forgot. It is NA only. I'm sorry, North America only. You have to be in North America to win. If you are not there, if you're not in North America, you unfortunately cannot win. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I forgot to mention that. Okay. Here we go. Smokey Dan, getting closer to my 2 months at least estimate. Right, by the way. Rude puts, mother effer. Rude puts, I'm sorry. It's not my fault. Okay, it's not my fault. The Pleb Source, they're in the US. They're in Texas. They can't ship outside. You guys understand the whole tariff thing that's happening right now, right? You guys understand shipping and logistics is absolutely a nightmare. So shipping outside, it just can't be done. It can't be done. But Rude puts, okay, you know what? If someone wins, if someone in the outside North America wins, maybe I could ship it to me, then I can ship it out, or we can ship it to there's freight forwarders. There's tons of freight forwarders in the US, like in Florida. Yeah, if you're in Florida, there's a freight forwarder there, you know, and it can go to Europe. Anyway, let's choose a winner. Here we go. Let's fetch the comments. Here we go. Continue. Loading the comments. We got 80 comments. Here we go. Choosing the winner. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. J Home. @_J Home. BTC still has room to go. Is Mr. J Home here? Congratulations. Wait, is that you is that your pick? Rico, is that you? Oh, Jason Home. Oh, Jason Home is in the live chat. I see him. Congratulations. Jason Home, are you in the US? Are you in the USA? Congratulations, you have won. Here, bro. Thanks. Yes, you're in the US. Okay, sounds good. Please email me, contact@redpandamining.com. Again, my email is contact@redpandamining.com. Please email me your full name, your shipping address, and phone number. We need all that info for the shipment. Congratulations. Pre-recorded. Ninja Kid? Ninja Kid. This is not pre-recorded. How can I also just read your live chat, okay? So how is this pre-recorded? Okay, that's impossible. Just impossible. All right, rigged. This is not rigged. Okay, guys, I do not own pickawinner.co. Okay, I didn't do any SQL injection. You know, I can't inject the winner automatically into pickawinner.co. I don't own this website. I'm not a hacker. Okay. All right. Sounds like something a pre-recorded AI bot would say. Dude, could you imagine? Somebody actually made something, dude. AI is gonna get to a point where it is gonna be, you know, it is gonna be, it's gonna get to that point. Kunlan, you see, he knows about SQL injection. The fact that you know all of that isn't helping your case, guys. Come on. God, you guys are terrible. Terrible. J Home, congratulations. Home. J Home. Congratulations, man. Please email me again. contact@redpandamining.com. I'll get your shipping address, everything sent out to plebsource.com. Ninja Kid jokes. I know. Rico, you defending yourself cracks my shot up. I don't own Pick a Winner. It's true. I don't own pickawinner.co. Okay, I don't own this website. All right, if I did, I don't. That would be easy. Just inspect the page, do a rug, then seamless pick a winner. Yeah, right. Jockrick Miner, that's not how it works. That's not how it works. Copy that. Thanks, Panda. Jason Hom, congratulations. Congratulations. You have won. Okay, that's it. Is there anything else you guys would like to talk about? Is there anything else? Ninja Kid, we just be salty sometimes. 100%. Slosh Squatch, obey your master, the squirrel master. Slosh Squatch, I'm gonna destroy that squirrel in the barn, okay? He is literally destroying all the insulation up in the ceiling tiles. And dude, that thing is just going everywhere. Fully electric. If one more person asks me about this whole flux thing going to POS, I'm gonna ban everybody. Frogman, thank you for the 2. But fully electric, I've already given my piece, and that is, I don't care.
Frogman donated $2 through super chat. Hot dog emoji. Hot dog
Fully
emoji.
electric, I just
Hot
got
dog
here.
emoji.
Sounds good.
Hot dog emoji.
Fully electric.
Hot dog emoji.
My whole thing is, if their platform, okay, what they're just becoming a GPU like rental like they're just, it's just like Core AI or Vast, you know, putting your GPU on their platform to be rented out, right? And that's how you make money. So if it's profitable, okay, if it actually does well, like if it's making money, then people are going to use it, right? But that's it. If people
Frogman donated
are able to make money
through
from it,
super chat.
I don't see any issue.
What do you think about flux change?
I get the whole thing. I get the whole ideals of proof of work. I get it. All these projects that are moving to proof of stake, they know it's bad. Like, it's bad. It's obviously bad. But if people are going to use this, move to these platforms, for AI, renting out their GPU, and it makes money, so be it. If it makes money, good money, I'm going to put a rig or 2 on it. Maybe all of them if it becomes really good. But if it doesn't, then no, right? There's plenty of other platforms out there right now that are making money. So whatever, they can do whatever. At this point, it's nothing new. Coins moving the POS, master nodes, whatever. Firo is increasing the master node rewards. Zen Horizon is already moving the POS in like a couple days. Okay, this is an ASIC coin. So Horizon's already going to POS in like, I think, a week or something. Yeah, there's a lot of coins, man. A lot of stuff, a lot of coins moving to POS. Yeah, it's happening. It's happening. Frogman, thank you for the 2 again. What do you think? Frogman, god damn it. Chump change. Flux has been sketchy since the Zelcore BS. Wish them the best. Yeah, exactly. Chump change. That's all we can do. There's nothing else. There's nothing else to say then, other than whatever. Rico, thank you for the 5 gifted subs. Holy crap, Rico. Congratulations to Ninja Kid. Automatic Beats. What? Chump change. How did you receive a membership? I never receive a membership. How do you do that? All set. Congrats. Robert E. Wilson, congrats on the membership. Thanks, Rico. Thank you, Rico. Fully electric. Yeah, I hear you, brother. Moving to AI is not mining. Proof of work is proof of work mining. But yeah, it's all good. If POS works out for them, okay. Yeah, I think we all know. We all don't like POS. I know a lot of us don't like proof of stake. I get it. Whatever. If they wanna, if it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Who cares? Honestly, who cares? At this point, I just don't care. There's no point. There's just no point. There's just no point caring about it anymore. Save your brain power. Save the stress. It's not even stress. There's honestly no point complaining about it. I just don't care anymore. I just don't care. I don't even know how to put it, man. I'm extremely burnt out talking about the same thing over and over again. I think over the past 8 years, man, it's just getting it's just I think it's just burnt out, man. It's just getting burnt out. It's just like there's so many of these happening, and it's just like at the point you're just like, who cares? Nothing's gonna change. You can't do anything about it. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, then we all knew that was coming. That's it. That's it. Quai makes proof of work faster than POS. Hey, if Quai can be the, you know, the coin of the people for proof of work for GPU miners, I'm all for it. I'm all for it. Lamau, not the first crypto that broke RPM's heart. It can't hurt anymore. Exactly. You can't get any worse. You can't get any worse than what it is now. What happened to your promise? You said you were going to mine X and stack Doge. Did you change your plan? Jacob Miner, I did. Jacob Miner, I did make a video like maybe like a month or two later after that. I said I was changing up my plan mining into Bitcoin. So ever since Doge on my LTC miners, when it hit 40 cents or 44 cents, I was like, yeah, I am converting, or 46 cents. That's when I started converting, or it's just auto convert, you know, profit switch pool, via BTC or Mining Dutch, into Bitcoin, because I knew it wasn't going to sustain at 46 cents. It's just, I explained that in the video. I already, yeah. I have not been stacking Doge. I have been actively, it's just been magically going into Bitcoin. And that has been the best play, because obviously you're getting more Bitcoin as the price goes down, as you're mining it, you know. So, and so now Bitcoin has price appreciated over the past year. It's been actually, I can literally show you. The difference here. I mean, look, okay. Wait, I think let's see. Let's go. Okay, I'm not logged in. Crap. Okay, hold on. Let me log. Hold on. Log in. Continue with Google. Do I have the Doge Litecoin one here? I do. Okay, perfect. Okay. So look at this, okay? This is why. This is a clear example why I was mining, automatically converting everything into Bitcoin. Because year to date, like a lot of these merge mineable coins, Lucky Coin, Pepe Coin, Bells, Dingo, WorldCoin, Doge, Litecoin's been a little bit more sustained, but you can see 33% year to date, it's been down. But Bitcoin's been up 25%. So mining into Bitcoin over the past year with all my altcoin, with all my Litecoin miners, was the better play. because ultimately it was getting more Bitcoin, especially in the beginning when Doge was like 46, 45 cents. I did that because I knew, I said that, you know, I don't think we're going to sustain when Doge peaks like this. When Doge goes up substantially like this, it doesn't stay up here that long. And it happened in 2018, happened in 2021, and then it happened in 2024. So I'm not saying Doge isn't going to go back up again, but I think then the next play in the next, if there's a next bear, I mean the next bear market, the next low time, then that would be the time then to stack Doge when it's lower cost basis. And then you just, if you believe Doge is going to go up again, yeah, you're going to do that play because then you think Doge is going to go back up to 46, $1. I don't know. So that's it. Yeah, that's the play. That's the play. That's the play. Mining King, how many GPUs are on and how many are off right now? Mining King, I'd say good 85% of my GPUs are off right now, and I'm in the process of switching majority of them into 178HXs. So I actually get my first batch today. I think I have over 120 of these things coming. So yeah, I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do, King. King, we're gonna talk about it all on Sunday, okay? Our talk together on Sunday is gonna be great, okay? All right, King, I can't wait. I can't wait. And you gotta get your, you gotta show all your AI rigs to us, okay? I want to see that like $12,000, okay? Any coin or project that wants to partner with 10 other projects creates a huge ecosystem that burns other coins for processing fees. Is a huge sucker. Not good to hear. I hear the Zeldev has gone to Spectre project, SPR project. Jockey Miner, really? Smokey Dan, no McDonald's. Techman, let's find this BTC. Bought 3 mega boxes. What's mega boxes? Techman. Mining King, lots of updates. King, sounds good, man. Sounds good. Let's see here. What do you guys say? Let's see here. Okay. All right. That's it. Anything else? Any questions, my friends? Any questions? Anything else? Anything else you guys want to talk about? Checks out the Decharge Deep in Engines part, especially if you have charge station capacity. They've recently partnered with GeoNet and Wingbits. Oh, Ninja Kid. Oh, I have a charger. Can I put that on or? Jocker Miner, any D-pin interest you have? Jocker Miner, not really. The only ones I'm in right now is Wingbits and GeoNet and Demo, I guess. Or Demo's going to be gone here shortly because I think they're going subscription. That's really all I'm in right now. That's really all I'm into. Let's see. How is my Chlor AI rig doing? Let's see here. Let's log in. Let me log in. Right, how much am I making a day on that thing? Let's see if it's still making $24. Let's see if it's still making something. Let's see. Rented. Okay, my Octo server is rented for the next 621 hours. I think it was rented for a whole freaking month. 1778 Chlor a day. So let's see my actual earning. My actual earnings. Okay, so yesterday I earned 22. Oh, is this in dollars? Yeah, USD. 22.74 in Chlor yesterday. $24 the day before. $25 the day before. $25.61 the day before. But that's in dollars. In Chlor, it's about 8,000 Chlor. Dude, 8,000 Chlor in like 5 days. Holy. if Chlor, okay, hold on. I haven't sold anything. I haven't sold it into USD. So, damn man, 8,000 Chlor, $107. Dude, if Chlor has a I'm not saying it's going to, but if Chlor does have a run up, dude, that would be absolutely insane. That would be insane. Even if it went up to like 14 cents again, that would be like a 15x. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. Can Chlor utilize AMD 6600 XTs? Jockrick Miner, yes. Yes, they can. Yes, they can. Massless Ninja, Chlor will go up. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know. But the rental, the whole like GPU rental thing is it's quite interesting. It's quite interesting to say the least. All right, let's close this. Okay, is there, you guys have anything you want to talk about? Smokey Dan, next time you're at Mackie D's, ask for a Mac. It's a Big Mac, but in the middle bun is replaced with a chicken flavor. Smokey Dan, I think I've tried that once. I'm pretty sure I've tried that once. It's definitely something I wouldn't have all the time. Geek of all trades, welcome. Geek of all trades, how are you, man? Fully electric, I want to see your Raven rig. Where are you mining to? Fully electric, it's mining to unminable. The Raven rig is doing into Bitcoin right now. I think, actually. I don't even know if that thing is still on anymore. I have to check. But that rig is winning. That rig, that GPU rig is obviously is definitely if you, yeah, that Bitcoin rig is definitely winning. Raven coin though, it's kind of hitting break even, so it's not terrible. Ergo is doing decent as well, but then everything else is not doing too much. Dynex is still down 97%. Neoxa is down 93%. Dex is down 74%. Nerai 68%. 55% for Chlor. Yeah. Geek of all trades. I'm here. You can get started now. Geek of all trades. How are Geek of all trades? Are you streaming later today? Crypto KJ, RXD land. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You have a flag. You have the RPM flag. Yes. Crypto KJ, can you do like a white like line at the top? Are you able to do that? Like a white thing? Are you able to change the design or no? That's pretty sick, man. That's pretty cool. Thank you for doing that. I guess you're now my banner seller. Nice. Tuckman not sponsored. Okay, let me see this. Oh, you're talking about these. Ah, yes. Galactic Trading Edition. Nice, Techman. Nice. Trading space cards. That's hilarious. Okay. Cat Pants Friday. I would like to hear if you legitimately think a GPU project can make it. Ergo, Raven, anything have a chance? Well, there's always a chance. Is it going to be sustainable for everyone who's GPU mining? Probably not. There's also the fact that there's also been a lot of people who've exited GPU mining. So for people who are still in it, I mean, it's going to be fine for them, especially those that have lower, cheaper electric. So they're probably going to be fine. But anyone who's like above 10 cents electric, they're really not. It's not lucrative. It's really not lucrative anymore. Crypto KJ, of course I can. We'll make some changes in DMU Discord with revisions. Crypto KJ, nice man, sounds good. BitX giveaway, Bleach, we've done it already. You've missed it. You've missed the BitX giveaway. Poverty bets, Panda. If all proof of work coins went to all-time highs, which would you make the most money off of? Probably GPUs. Probably GPUs. Definitely. 100%. Maybe CPU. CPUs might be really good too. You all know I have a bunch of those now. Fully electric. I want to trade the rest of my 3070s and 3080 FEs for 10210s or 178Xs. You want them? Fully electric. No, I'm fully electric. I'm already doing that process right now. I'm already trading my 3070s up into 178Xs. They're already, I think I'm getting my first batch today. I gotta go pick it up. Let me check. Did it come in? Let me see. I need my UPS. Oops, that's not the one. That's not the one. I need to open up the. Okay, I never mind. I'll check later. I think it's coming today. I think it's coming later today. I think it's coming today. Crispin, Cedric, Crispin, Red Panda, what happened to your famous yield argument? You have changed. Cedric, I have already mined and held over the past 3 years. I've already said this. I am no longer doing the whole mine and hold thing because I've already done that for the past 3 years. I am keeping whatever I have already, and because a lot of the stuff I've mined and held over the past couple years, a lot of them have dropped 97%, 55%. You know, a lot of these coins have been down. I'm not going to mine anymore. I'm not going to pay thousands of dollars out of pocket to mine and hold more of these coins. I have enough. Right now is or from what I've been doing now, the past maybe half year has been the accumulation of Bitcoin. So if alts do come back, if and when, I hope it's a matter of when, I will still be able to benefit from the coins going up in price appreciation. If that happens. The other side of it is, you know, I've lowered my risk because I can't do it anymore, right? I can't keep on mining and holding. I'm at a scale of a couple hundred GPUs. As much as I would love to GPU mine and pay out of pocket, I can't pay out of pocket a couple $1,000s, okay, for mining and holding. That's just not realistic, okay? It's just not realistic. All right. Crypto KJ, that makes the current flag limited edition. Crypto KJ. I love it. I love it. But Cedric Crispin, what happened to your famous? It's obviously changed because, like I said, I wasn't willing to, you know, do the whole mine and hold couple couple $1,000s of electric against whatever I was proof of work GPU mining. It just wasn't making sense. It just wasn't making sense against my electric. Now, if I was doing it, I'm still doing it small scale. Okay, here, like I'm still doing this. Like this has not changed. Hold on, let me I'm still doing it on a smaller scale. I need to log in. Hold on. You guys know I've been doing this. This has not changed. So, oops. There we go. Cedric, this has not changed. I'm still doing the whole spec mining thing with like 48 6600 XTs. I have been paying out of pocket for these. All good. I was about to say just do it at a smaller scale. I am. I have been. I've been doing this test since 2023. I have been paying out of pocket for 40. Okay, this one's off 21 days ago. What the hell? Okay, I need to check these. But okay, yeah. Anyways, yeah. It's these have been going. Okay. These have been going. I need to check. Why is this one off? This one's supposed to be my unminable Bitcoin one. 21 days ago. What the hell? Okay, that's how long I haven't looked at this. I need to go. Okay, I need to go check that out. Frogman, Panda added KS0 Pro and some GPUs this week. I'll track. Ah, yes, I added yes, my RedPandaMining.shop. Yes, go check it out. If people want to buy anything, I'm been liquidating somebody bought my 37 my blower style 3070s instantly, and my 3070 Ti's. Some people just bought those instantly, but I have some A2000s and more 3070 Ti's that need new fans and 3060s on my shop website if anyone's interested in those GPUs. But I'm keeping my 6600 XTs, keeping my 3080s, keeping my 3090s, and I'm going to be, I have majority of my 3070s. I'm swapping out to 178Xs. Yes. Okay. Fully electric. Your Flux test rig will go down at block 2 million. Oh yeah, that's right. You're right. I guess I'll better turn that off. I wonder how much flux this rig has mined. I wonder how much flux we've mined. Let's check. Let's go. Oh, Flux Explorer. Let's put that in. Let's put it in here. 907. This rig since 2023. I think November, October 2023. So 972. Now, I don't even know if that considers the parallel assets. I don't know if I have to click on the parallel assets to pay it out. Probably. 236 bucks worth. And this is where Flux is right now. 24 cents. So Flux goes to like $2. 2 times 972. That could be like 1,800 bucks. Okay, then maybe the rig will ROI itself. Break even. Who knows? That's terrible. It's terrible. It's over. Never mind. Womp womp. Yeah, never mind. Never mind. The whole reason why I'm doing this as a long-term test is obviously, yeah, just to see, you know, there's multiple things I'm able to we can see here. Is like buying the coin better than GPU mining it, or, you know, at that time, or you know, GPU mining is actually dead, or, you know, it's mining and holding, you know, all these things. That's what I'm testing out, and I haven't been really good. I haven't been good at keeping these rigs uptime as best as possible. I don't even know why I'm mining Nexa on this 6600 XT rig. The Nexa is already dominated by ASICs. It's literally already gone. Like, I don't even know why I'm GPU mining Nexa. I wonder how much Nexa this rig is mined. Let's check. Nexa Explorer. Holy smoke. Search. All right. This, we have 114 million Nexa. Is that 114 million? 770,607. Yeah, 140. Man. Oh, next is up 4%. Okay. I mean, next is all the way down. All the way. This is $128 worth of Nexa. We have GP mined over the past like almost 3 years, I think. That's terrible. That's absolutely. I think I've definitely spent way more on electric than I've definitely mined. 321 watts. So 321 watts, maybe like, I'm gonna say 400. So 0.04 times 0.074 cents. So I'm spending about 3 cents an hour times 24 hours. That's 71 cents a day in power. Times, that's a day, so times 30 days, that's $21.31 a month in electric, times 24. I think it's like we're at like 34 months. So I've spent out of pocket $724 on electric over the past like 3 years ish, but I've only mined at this point in time $128 in Nexa. So I'm not only am I in the red of the electricity, but I am also in the red of the $1,400. Techman, where is the friend coin rig? Techman? I don't know. You tell me. I don't know, man. Maybe I should have. You know what? Come to think of it, we should have GPU mined it. Actually, friend coin came out when we started this test. November. Probably would have done okay some days. Some days didn't, but yeah, damn, I think that means collectively I've spent, shice, man, I've spent like times like 8, dude, I've spent like $5,700 in electric. If I accumulated all the earnings from all these things, dude, how much Ergo? Okay, at least I think Ergo has been a little bit better. I say that now. Ergo Explore. All right, let me check Ergo. Let's see here. Let's see here. Is it gonna? Ergo's dead. Is it? Not loading. Ergo Explorer. No. That. Ergo's down. Ergo Explorer. Okay, how about this one? Sigmanauts pool. Okay, Sigmanauts. All right, here we go. 280 Ergo. That's $286 worth right now. Okay, so I mean a little bit better. Little bit better. Go is Warthog still a thing? Kuhn Land. I think Warthog kind of got wrecked by Zegex, so, but it looks like it's gone up here 9%. Not really that in retrospect. It's not really really up, but it's there's no more ZegX, but it's CoinX and Trade Ogre. Trade this coin. So yeah, I mean, it could, like I said, I don't know, man. Who knows? It could do something. Who knows? I don't know. All right. Let's see here. I wish I sold all my Varus coin. I had to sync a wallet, and even net price now, I was sad I didn't hold on to more. Varus coin. You know what? Varus coin. Yeah, Varus coin had its day. Yeah, recently. Yeah, a couple months back. Yeah, Varus coin did well. Yeah. Ricky Spanish. Late to the stream. No worries, man. We're almost ending here pretty soon, but I did already give my opinion. I did already. I basically said, who cares? And if it's gonna be good, then so be it. I'm not gonna waste the brain power and stress to you know, this is happening way too many times already. So every project is gonna do their own thing. Whatever, who cares? I'm done. I'm seriously done with you know, projects converting to proof of stake. It's whatever. They want to do it, so be it. If it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I wish the best for them. Yeah. Red Panda still all in on Zephyr. Zephyr, I'm not. But hey, yeah. I mean, this Zephyr's chart looks like pretty much all the other, you know, alts. And my YouTube dashboard went away. Not enough memory to open this page. I think we're still live though. I'm gonna refresh this. Oh my goodness, this. I don't understand this. I have 128 gigs of RAM. Google's running out of memory. Damn it. I'm gonna end this poll. Alright, we're done. Oh, there's no more giveaway. I'll unpin this message. There we go. Okay, bros. Wow, we've only been streaming for an hour and a half. I think that's it. We are done. Crypto KJ, what did you oh yeah. Yeah, Crypto KJ. Nice. I like it. Yeah, I think I like that. Yeah, that looks cool, man. That looks cool. Sick. I like it. Crypto KJ, that looks sick, man. Looks sick. Okay, I gotta go, my friends. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go outside and just go outside. And John English Tech, shy is irrelevant. Bless that man's heart. Thank you, Crypto KJ. Kunlan, YouTube crashed on my side also. Did it? Oh. Wondered when that would happen. Smorky Dan, yeah. Alright, you guys have a great day. Thank you for the fun. Thank you for the live stream. It's nice that Bitcoin is over $117,000. We're gonna keep going up, I hope. That'd be nice. But I just hope it sustains. That would be nice. For all the people that are Bitcoin mining. It's Bitcoin mining is I think there's like, I saw the other day, there's like 4.5% of Bitcoin will be mined left over the next like 70, 80, 90, 80 years. And then Bitcoin will be done. Most of us in this live chat are not going to see the day until the last Bitcoin will be mined. And then it's just like transaction fees. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for the stream. Have a great day. Have a good one. Appreciate you all. Hit the like on the way out. See you guys tomorrow. I'm going to be building more of my CPU AI rigs. Okay. So hopefully I can build more tomorrow. But see you guys. You guys have a great one. Thank you so much. Good night. Enjoy the sun. Ninja Kid, bye. Finland, bye. Smokey Dan, thank you. Sadie, sometimes. Have a good one. John English. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Chasing time in this wired space. Crypto whispers through the night. Will he shine or lose the fight? Tangled cords like a digital vine, waiting for a plan to cross the line. Some say weeks, some say years, but the future's louder than their fears. Spin the fans, let the circuits race. Chasing time in this wired space. Crypto whispers through the night. Will he shine or lose the fight? Heat waves rising, machines on hold. Dreams are worth more than the gold. Ticking clocks, they don't decide. The spark is dented, burns inside. Spin the fans, let the circuits race. Chasing time in this wired space.